permanent way of railway engineering. What is permanent way? In which way rails are fixed with features with fixture and fastening with sleepers and based on ballast or hold by ballast and load transfer to this subgrade and able to carry loads and movements of its is called permanent way. This is a picture of permanent way. These are rails and this is our fastening, fixture and fastening. By this fixture and fastening, rails are fixed with or hold with these sleepers and these are held by this ballast, and ballast is created on subbase. By this from which loads comes this rail from our train. These loads carry from rail to sleeper and sleeper to ballast and ballast to subgrade to our ground surface. Then needs for permanent way. uh, Needs for permanent way is keep gauge in correct position. We have to keep these gauges, railway gauges, which was the inner to inner distance of these two rails. This was gauge, and we have to keep these gauges in its proper position or correct position. And rail in its proper level, we have to lay down the rails on its proper level or gradient. Then we have to keep our alignment, railway alignment in right position. We have to provide uniform gradient to this railway for our comfortable journey. And we have to transfer the load from which comes from train and goods trains and passenger trains. This load should be transferred to ground. Now, what is rail? Which steel girder can carry axial load and allow to move on this is in its proper gauge is called rail. So rail is a steel girder from wrought iron. We have to mix some carbon and form it steel, and by this steel girder we can create railway by properly holding it. And if this girder can carry loads and allow movements on on it is called rails. Rail has to be minimum friction for its traveling and move heavy loads on it.